EX land. How about a mini grass? How about a mini grass? 612 Skip Chunky, Gulf Islands waving.
Hello, Skip Chunky. Hello, Skip Chunky. Lockdown. Hello, Skip Chunky. Hello, Skip Chunky. Lockdown, Mississippi. Hey, Skip Chunky. Lockdown, Mississippi.
Hey, sounding good there, Lockdown, Magnolia State. Hey, Lockdown, Mississippi. Waving 73s and cheers to you from the Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. Noisy. Yeah, Lockdown, we're off the far west coast of Canada. We're off the far west coast of Canada out here on the Gulf Islands. Noisy. All right, Lockdown, Mississippi, you're breaking through the train wreck here. Cheers and beers, buddy. Thanks for the comeback from the Magnolia State. You're loud out here. 612, Skip Chunky, reading the mail.
Take it easy, take care, man. Welcome to the weekend, and love from our household in Mississippi to yours on the north. No doubt about it. Take care of yourself and enjoy your best weekend.
Right back at you, Lockdown. Right back at you, buddy. Cheers and beers. 612, saying 73s. We're reading the mail. Click, click.